Yo, ciao guys, I read to your suggestions on my post I published some times ago on my YouTube channel where I was asking for fresh ideas. And in this box right behind me there is a new model ship kit from a very small company that has aggressively entered the market. So if you have nothing to do, grab your favorite drink and stay with me. Welcome back, so let's open this box and see what's inside. So guys, this is the H.M. Sherburne, an arm cutter of the 18th century, designed by Chris Wotton, who is also the owner of Vanguard Models. So the H.M. Sherburne is designed, developed and produced in the UK. The scale of this model ship is 1:64. For this scale, the model looks to have a lot of details. The overall length is 51 centimeters, the hull length is 28.4 centimeters, the height overall is 48.4 centimeters, and the width overall is 20.2 centimeters. The Sherburne model kit of 1763 represents a real vessel that was built at Woolwich Dockyard to design by Sir Thomas Slade and was launched on 3 December 1763. The Sherburne was a 6-gun cutter of the Royal Navy. She served in the English Channel for her entire career, operating against smugglers. So let me just open it for a minute so that I can see what's inside, if everything is fine. In the meantime, let me tell you a bit about Chris Wotton and Vanguard Models. Chris Wotton's design spans historical periods and ship types, from warship and brigs to merchant vessels and fishing vessels, showcasing his deep knowledge of naval history and ship construction. His work has significantly impacted the model ship kit industry, offering enthusiasts detailed and historically accurate models to build and enjoy. So for those who doesn't know Vanguard Model, you must know that Chris worked for some of the biggest company of ship modeling out there, like Amati, Hachette, Jotica, and he also designed some of the model you might have already built or you must have seen in their website, like the HMS Fly, the HMS Pegasus, the Cutty Sark, the HMS Diana, the Agamemnon, and so many more. So in this model there are going to be some interesting components. I read that the keel and the bulkheads are made from MDF, like we saw in the 5E Amati model kit. Details, the outer planking are made from a material that we don't see that often in model ship kit. It's made from quality pearwood, which is very good addition in my opinion. Parts list and instructions are publicly available in Vanguard Model website. You can find the link in the description below the like button. Subscribe to the channel guys so you won't miss the next videos of this series on the Sherburne by Vanguard Models. Thank you, and I will see you next week for the detailed unboxing video. Bye.